Every transformation in our universe follows strict cosmic laws, split between the physical reshaping of form and the chemical recreation of identity. The illusion of the physical change. The illusion of the physical form were masters of illusion and reshaping. Their core law was simple yet absolute. A substance could change how it looked, but it could never change what it was. Whenever a substance or object underwent a physical change, it merely experienced a shift in its physical properties, such as its shape, size, color, or state of matter, like a solid melting into a liquid. Deep inside, the identity of the material remained completely untouched. Most importantly, no new substance was ever formed. The magic of chemical change. When triggered a chemical change, the original substances vanished, and one or more entirely new substances were formed with completely different traits. This deeper magic was driven by an intense chemical reaction. Because these reactions were complex, precisely using mathematical blueprints called chemical equations. Difference between physical changes and chemical changes. Physical change, only outer look changes. No new substance is ever created. Chemical change, inner identity flags alter completely. One or more new substances form. The spark and the flame. Whenever a combustible substance was consumed by fire, it violently released energy, ensuring that heat and light were given out during combustion. However, you could not simply wave a match and expect anything to burn. Every single combustible substance possessed a hidden threshold called its ignition temperature. This is the lowest temperature at which a substance could catch fire. If a block of wood did not reach its precise ignition temperature, it would sit forever without catching a flame. But once that invisible thermal line was crossed, the chemical reaction exploded into life. The law of reversibility. Some changes could be reversed and some could not. A physical change, like freezing water into ice, could easily be undone by melting it back. But a chemical change, like a log turned to ash through combustion, was locked in time forever and could never be made into wood again. The law of utility. Some changes were desirable and some were not. Desirable changes, like the cooking of food or the forging of tools. Conversely, undesirable changes, like the rusting of weapons or the destructive erosion. The birth of the soil. For millennia, two rival forces fought a quiet war across the great mountain ranges. This grand collision of physics and chemistry was known as weathering. First, the physical reaction, like howling winds and freezing ice to crack and splinter the grand mountain peaks into fragments. Then the chemical reaction, like acidic rains, that reacted with the minerals inside the stone, dissolving them and transforming them into entirely new chemical compounds. Through this beautiful partnership of physical and chemical changes due to weathering, the hard rocks finally broke down to form the rich, fertile soil.